If you have an unfair coin that you know nothing about, to simulate a fair coin, all you need to do is flip it twice in a row. So notice here that these are the possible outcomes of doing that experiment, of flipping the unfair coin twice in a row, right? And if we let P of H, the probability of heads, equal P for the unfair coin, then we have these following probabilities here, right? Where my 1 minus P comes from the fact that if I don't see a head, right, I see a tail. So already here, you see that these two outcomes are equally likely. And thus, you can just repeat our experiment of flipping our unfair coin twice in a row until you see either one of these, and then just taking the first outcome as the outcome of the fair coin. And we're done.